Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add signature in IONOS email. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into IONOS webmail. Come to the top right, click on this gear icon to access settings. Now, click here on all settings, and here from the left-hand panel, make sure you have selected email. Now, I want you to scroll down until you see signatures. Click on this, click on add new signature, and you can just enter any signature name. We'll just put our name, William Hunter, right here. And then you can go ahead and add your signature. So let's do best regards and then our name, right? And of course, you can add logos, images, anything you want right here. So let me show you how to do that. You can click here on this icon to insert image, and then it will open up your file explorer. You can choose your logo. So here we should have our logo, right? Click on open. And of course, you can go ahead and resize this as well. You just drag this to the left and resize it according to your satisfaction. And of course, you can go ahead and change the formatting as well if you would like to do that. And once you're happy with this, you can just go ahead and save this. Of course, you need to choose a signature position if you want to change that. And then click on save. And there you go. In just a moment, it will be saved to your email. And that is how to add signature in IONOS email.